All right, so Andre's here. That is the legend that is going to do a little paint correction on this. When we're done.
When you are done and parts are not continuously being added, because this will be nice and shiny.
Yep, it'll look beautiful.
Yes.
It'll look gorgeous. The paint is in nice shape.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we are replacing this.
Yeah, unsafe. I don't like those. I know you're okay with them, but that shit is a fire hazard.
That's a fire hazard.
I am doing a hard line from the pump, like the OEM line.
Yep.
This car didn't have this type of carb.
Which I don't understand. Why would you cut a factory line?
Because people are stupid.
I just realized that
it would have routed here to the front or here because it's a quadrijet.
Yeah.
So I would.
So you're replacing this whole line. You're not going to flare this one.
No, we're going to replace it all the way.
We're going to go all the way, make it one solid hard line up here. Done deal. I'm getting the fitting for this. Make it nice.
Yep. And we've got the flaring tool, so that's not a problem.
I have the badass flaring tool.
Yeah.
You haven't played with it yet.
No, not yet. But I'm actually really good with those. I like those. But he's got a really,
Is that
really
the
nice
one you put in the vise and it's like...
Oh,
Yep.
yeah, it's perfect. Because I can make a perfect...
You see what happened was...
What happened was...
Wick bought one, and I used it once, and I said, oh, fuck, I need to buy this, so I bought one.
Yeah.
And I've made a ton of shit now.
And Legend says he's never used it since.
I use mine all the time.
We're not talking about what you do in bed.
That's by myself.
Bitch, do you have any flair?
Anyway, okay. So we're doing that. We saw the harness the other day that I'm working on, which I got to continue.
I forgot to trim one for you because I've been doing
It's fine. I still got a lot to do, so it's fine.
I did a little bit of wrapping to get taken care of.
Scotty has gotten everything finalized up here now.
So we have...
Andre, if you just throw that on the red cart, that'd be great.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Bam!
Set, ready to go. And I do it a little bit differently with the C3s. I'll pinch them here with a zip trap so that they stay out of the way. So when you put the top in, you go directly down the gauges to the radio.
Beautiful.
There's no digging. There's no nothing. It makes life so much easier.
Beautiful.
So here's our soon-to-be factory line for the radio. Already separated for front and rear. So we're good. It's actually one of the better systems, which I like. We don't really have a ton left, but we're waiting on our guy for the air conditioning hoses so that we can actually get it finished.
Yep, we need to plumb the AC hoses. I do need to run the wire for the compressor, and I do need to start putting the harness in for that. I'll do that, get that ready, and then it's your turn. Then I gotta do everything on the cluster too. So we're working on it. We weren't on it Monday or Tuesday because we were in Javelin hell amongst multiple other things. Oh, Javelin and Buick hell.
Yes.
But we got those resolved to a stopping point. So here we are today. Scotty's pretty much going to spend most of the day here, the remainder of the day.
Yeah.
Because he did do the diag on the LTD.
Yeah, that's done.
And I'm going to knock out the LTD and the sneak peek car.
Yep.
Look at that.
Sneak peek.
We're teasing. We're teasing it.
We're teasers.
Yes, you are. From what I hear. Andre's facial expression was hilarious.
Barking spiders.
Who
Great,
shit their
thanks.
pants? Anyway. All right.
So, now that the toxic bomb came in.
Oh, God.
Oh, good fucking God. Okay, I'm going to stand over here where it's safer next to Bobby. Okay, so we don't really have much left. Engine wiring time. We really don't. There's just a little bit of fine tuning.
I need to do the rest of the fan controller, which I'll do.
Yep.
May I ask a question?
Sure, of course.
Act.
When you do this, is there going to be a filter in here, or is it?
That's the filter inside there. We don't need
that one. Yep.
Okay.
No.
Adding filters and shit. It's all unnecessary. The factory didn't have it. You don't fucking need it either.
Okay, that's why I'm asking, because people be like, "Well, you took out a filter and shit." Oh
my God. Anyway, all right. Moving on. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Daddy.